Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Muaz Haq from Think Turkey, and today I'm here and I want to show you a very beautifully designed villa, very nicely interior design, and the location is just 10 minutes drive from Masjid Nabawi. And even this area around here is very nice. It has all the amenities available, a lot of green areas, schools, hospitals, restaurants, everything is here, really nicely designed. Let's go in and have a look. Today I'm here in the city of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Madinah al-Munawwara, just 10 minutes away from Haram, from the actual mosque of Masjid Nabawi. And you can take basically this road here. Directly this highway is leading, it's a brand new road. It goes all the way to Haram directly without any traffic. And here you have a very beautiful villa that I want to show you guys today, inshallah. It's a very nice villa. Let's go inside and have a look. Various different models here. For example, this is for the men. Here's the bathroom, right? Here's the family room here, and they call it saleh. This is the saleh, right? You've got the kitchen here. There's like a little bit of a storage room. Wonderful kitchen. Nice. This kitchen is actually not gonna come with the villa. Normally you're gonna have to build it, but we're gonna help you with that. We're gonna assist you with the design of the kitchen and everything. It's gonna be a little bit of an extra cost, but because these villas are quite priced at a very stealing point basically. Got a little bit of a storeroom here. Here's another kind of like living area here. And going here, firstly you got this bedroom. Has a nice bathroom here, and then you've got the bedroom. Look at that. You got your bathroom. You got your closet area, and then you got your full kitted out bedroom, master bedroom. Check this place out. I mean, this is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. You've got, here's another common bathroom here. Here's the children's bedroom. Got nice closets. Again, these need to be built out. So these could be built out. All this beautiful kind of designs here. So you got this terrace area here. Wow, look at that. Very well decorated terrace region. Very well done. Beautiful. Look at that. And it's quite private, so you can't really see what's happening in the other villas. You got your AC units here. And then you've got your kind of laundry area for ironing, laundry, a little bit more storage here. And then the maid's room. The maid has her shower, her own private area, which is good. The inside looks like that. The inside looks like that. So this is for the men's area, and then this is for the other area. Okay, I really like their furnishing here. Very classic. Here's your kind of bathroom. This is your family entrance now. You see, we came from there, but you also have a family entrance for the inside, and this part can be closed off from here with a sliding door, right? Oh, I love this ottoman there. You got your hand wash. I love that they have the hand washes outside. They even have one inside too. Yeah, generally it's just this is kind of a under the stairs area. You can store things. Okay. This is now your family room, right? This is your family room. Okay. Wow, look at these dividers. Gorgeous. These guys have really spent some good amount here to furnish this place. Amazing. Beautiful. Let me just show you close up from here. As soon as you come here, you've got a beautiful opening here, living room, and wow, the colors and the decoration, these guys have really done some crazy work here. I mean, amazing. Let's check out this area. Wow, check that out. Right, and then you've got your bathroom. Okay. Now we're going to go into master bedroom. So first, let me show you the common bathroom. So they even got the loofahs and towels, everything is ready. Now let's show you the children's room. Got some nice windows here. Wow, I'm just taken away at this, the decoration here. These guys have really done some crazy decoration. I cannot get over this. Look at that beautiful view. Beautiful view. You got mountain, you got the stadium on the right side, you got some mall there, like you got some nice classic villas. You got a burger shop, Kudu. You got some Baskin Robbins there. You got a bunch of stuff. You got a bunch of stuff over here. So this area is ready to live in. We got your, again, the decoration is just killing me here. Look at that. Look at that. Here you got the terrace. The terrace area. A pretty massive terrace. Oh, it keeps going, extends all the way. Wow. Got this private seating area over here. And this part is kind of like a green area. I mean, you could put your own plants and everything here. Okay, so here is your maid's room. Here's the maid's room. You got a little closet here, a bed, a window, and then of course the bathroom and the shower, right? So you got this stuff here, and then you got your second room here. This is kind of like the upstairs guest room. You want to banish someone, or you got like kind of a antisocial person, and you kind of send them here. Here we go. Yeah, you can even exit from this side. This is the family exit. And you can kind of see the design here.